Hi everyone, it's dark now, and I decided to make a little video to show you just my working light here, and it's just lighting up the snowblower area, and it doesn't show me where I shoot my snow. It's not full darkness, but I will light up the LEDs and you will see the difference. So it shoots, it light ups where I shoot my snow, so I can see where I'm throwing the snow. It's really cool to have these possibilities, because if I shoot my snow on the side here, I don't have any light, so there you see, I'm able to see where I'm shooting my snow. It's pointing this way here, so it's a really nice safety feature there, because oops, almost lost the camera here. If I shut it off, there's a difference, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go inside the tractor here, and another thing here, I'm able to light them up again if I want them more high. I can move them up, and magnets are, I think, are working pretty nice, because I did try the snowblower today and it didn't. So if I want it higher, I'm able to put it higher. I'm gonna try to film and work the snowblower here. And in the other video, I was revving the tractor at 540. I don't even have to rev the tractor higher than that. It's pretty nice. I always engage and then raise your RPM. So this is it, guys. It's not easy to film, and I need to get myself a GoPro, but you have a good idea. And the working light here in front, those are the two LEDs I have on each side. And if I shut them down, full darkness there. And this is my LEDs I installed instead of the, and you can and you can see pretty clearly a big difference adding LEDs, because just the lights that comes with the tractor are too small. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and push the like button.